officer at student of Camiguin Polytechnic State College, Catarman campus. And today, I'm going to show you how to create a low-cost instructional materials, specifically a diorama of a poultry farm layout. This diorama focuses on two important parts of a poultry farm, the water source and the waste disposal area. It's simple, affordable, and made from recycled materials, perfect for teaching students about proper farm management.
Here are the materials I used. A plastic Tupperware for base, soil for ground, small plastic container for the water source, bamboo sticks for the chicken coop, stick glue, match and scissors. First, I prepared the base by using a damaged plastic container as the foundation and covered it with soil to make it look like real ground. After preparing the base, I started making the chicken coop. I used bamboo sticks and small piece of cardboard to create the walls and roof. I glued them together carefully to form a small house for the chickens. This part represents the place where the chickens stay, rest, and lay eggs. Next, I made the water source for my poultry farm. This represents the area where the chickens get clean water to stay healthy and hydrated. Next, I made the feeding area. I used small recycled materials to represent the feeders where chicken can easily access their food. I added small paper signs labeled coop, feeding area, water source, and waste disposal area. Here's the final look of my poultry farm diorama, complete with the coop, feeding area, water source, and waste disposal area. It clearly shows how a well-organized poultry farm promotes both productivity and cleanliness.
Making this diorama taught me how to be creative and resourceful in making teaching materials. It also helped me understand how proper layout, like having a clean water source and waste disposal area, keeps the poultry healthy and well managed. And that's the end of my video tutorial. I hope you enjoy watching and learn something from my low-cost instructional material, the poultry farm diorama. Once again, I am Rielo A. Rinalda, and this has been my low-cost IM presentation in TEL-E. Bye and